Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money in a blockchain wallet. First, you'll need to select a reliable wallet that fits your specific requirements. Next, identify the cryptocurrency you intend to deposit and confirm your chosen wallet supports it. You'll then explore various funding methods, such as bank transfers or credit card purchases, to add funds. Always prioritize security and double-check all transaction details before confirming any deposit. There are several ways to fund your blockchain wallet. Many platforms allow direct purchases using a credit or debit card, offering a quick and convenient option. Alternatively, you can link your bank account for an ACH transfer or a wire transfer, which might be suitable for larger amounts. If you already own crypto, you can transfer it from another wallet or exchange, ensuring you use the correct network and address. Once you've chosen your funding method, the actual deposit process is straightforward. Navigate to the Receive or Deposit section within your wallet and select the specific cryptocurrency. You'll see a unique deposit address, often a long string of characters and numbers. Carefully copy this address. Then, paste it into the Send field of your funding source, whether it's an exchange or another wallet, and confirm the transaction. Security is paramount when depositing funds. Always double-check the deposit address multiple times before finalizing any transaction. A single incorrect character can lead to permanent loss of funds. Be mindful of network fees, which vary by cryptocurrency and network congestion. After initiating the transfer, monitor your wallet for confirmation. Transaction times can range from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the blockchain network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.